Look at the second of the conic sections, which are circles. We're already familiar with circles. In fact, a circle is a set of all points that are equidistant from a given point called the center. That's the center. That's the radius, right? And so the equation of a circle is just based upon that information. If the center of a circle is the point HK in a coordinate plane, and the radius is, we'll just say the radius is r, then the equation of a circle is given by the following. It's just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And so an example, if I gave you that the center was the point 3, 4, and the radius was equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, the equation of the circle then would be, this would be h, this would be k. So notice that this is going to be x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 6 squared, or x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 36. There's the equation of the circle. Okay. The only thing to watch out for would be if the center of the circle was, let's say the center was the point 0, negative 2, and the radius was equal to 5. So we're going to go x minus h. This is h, this is k. So x minus 0 is just x. So when the coordinate is 0, you just write it as x squared, or if it was y, it'd be y squared, plus y minus k. And when that's a minus, minus a minus is a plus, equals 5 squared. So notice that really these signs in here are the opposite of whatever that is. These were positive and that was negative. So my equation is x squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 25. There's the equation of the circle. Now to graph that, all you would have to do would be, it's relatively easy to graph something like that. Let me find a piece of graph paper here. Let's just kind of ignore. Okay, here's a piece of graph paper. Let's say I wanted to graph this problem right here. I found the center was 3, 4. So I plot that point 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the center, and the radius is 6. So from that, to graph it, I'm just going to go 6 units each of the 4 different directions. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you just kind of sketch in the circle. Mine never do look like circles, but because I'm telling you it's a circle, it is one. And there would be the graph of that circle. And that's really all there is to writing the equation of a circle, finding the center and the radius. One more example would be if I gave you that the equation was x minus 7 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 64. And I wanted to find what's the center and what's the radius. Okay? Remember, the center is just the opposite of whatever these are. So center is going to be the point 7, negative 3. This is r squared. So it's the square root of that. So r is going to equal the square root of 64, which is 8. Go ahead and do the assignment. Let me know if you have questions.